So, what are these 5 A's in digital marketing? These 5 A's are the 5 key components that it takes to make up a great digital marketing strategy. First A is attention. You have to grab their attention. You have to create compelling, attention grabbing content, either through a video, through a headline in a blog post, through a title in your email, something that is going to grab the attention of the reader or the viewer and make them click and want to consume your content. By capturing that attention, you can drive more traffic to your website, you can drive more traffic to your sales funnel, to your stand store, wherever it is that you are selling your products, you can drive more traffic to that specific area. The next A is attraction. So you've gotten them to click. So now it's all about driving home the value and the benefits of your product or your service. By presenting an amazing offer, you can attract those leads and convert them into being customers. The next A is action. So now you've grabbed their attention. You've attracted them to your specific content or your product or your service. The next thing is getting them to take action. So now this action could mean making a purchase. This action could be signing up for a newsletter. It could be signing up for your email campaign. It could be just to reach out and request more information. Wherever you're placing your CTA within your content, make sure that it is creating a sense of urgency for that specific person that is watching or reading or just viewing that content in general. So the fourth A is acquisition. And acquisition means that you are now trying to grow that business. You are trying to grow that email list. You are trying to drive more and more traffic and build your business, expand your customer base. You're now implementing strategies and tactics to attract, engage, and then hopefully convert those leads into paying customers. And you can do that through social media marketing. You can do that through email campaigns. You can do that by just making sure that your SEO is correct in your content. By continuous improvement and always optimizing all of your content, you can just continue to increase the growth within your business. And the last A is advocacy. Advocacy is basically word of mouth. So once you've done your job, you've already fulfilled whatever need that specific customer wanted. And so now they are going out and they are spreading the word that you are a reputable source to either get information from, to buy your specific product. And so that word of mouth is working for you in your favor. You want to be the best customer service representative that you can possibly be when it comes to following through on your specific product. You want that person to feel ultra comfortable. You want them to feel like they got the value, they're getting the service, and they are also somebody that you can count on to come back to you when they need something in the future. So these 5 A's are what make up the 5 key components to a great digital marketing strategy. Now all you got to do is go out and implement them in your business. So so go out and do it.